In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Apollo.io extension. The Apollo.io extension is a powerful tool designed to enhance your sales efficiency right from your web browser. Whether you're looking to streamline your LinkedIn interactions or simply want to make the most of your networking potential, this brief guide will walk you through the installation and initial use of the extension. Let's begin by opening your preferred web browser. Now you're going to search for the Apollo extension. A quick web search will lead you to the results you're looking for. Once you find the option labeled Apollo.io Sales Intelligence, you'll want to click on it. This takes us to the Chrome Web Store page for Apollo.io. Here, you'll see a button that says Add to Chrome. Click on this button to start the installation process. As you do this, a pop-up will appear on your screen. It's just a standard check to ensure that you're aware of what you're adding to your browser. This pop-up will ask for your confirmation to add the Apollo extension. To continue, click on the Add Extension button. Rest assured, this step is safe and necessary for the functionality we want to achieve with Apollo.io. Once you confirm the installation, the extension will automatically download and install on your browser. It's a seamless process that doesn't require you to lift a finger. To ensure that the extension has been successfully added, you can click on the extension icon found in your browser's toolbar. This icon usually looks like a little puzzle piece. Within the list that appears, you should see the Apollo logo, confirming that the extension is present and ready to use. Now that the extension is installed, it's time to open LinkedIn and put Apollo.io to work. Navigate to LinkedIn and select a profile you're interested in. With the Apollo extension, you can now interact with this profile in more dynamic ways. On the profile page, look for the Apollo icon, typically found on the right-hand side of your LinkedIn page. Clicking on the Apollo icon will unleash a suite of tools at your disposal. You can effortlessly add contacts to lists for better organization, send connection requests or personal messages without needing to navigate through multiple pages, view profiles in more detail, and even automate some of your routine tasks. These features can save you time and effort, freeing you up to focus on what truly matters, connecting with the right people. By following these steps, you can integrate Apollo.io into your workflow and supercharge your networking and sales strategies. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide on using the Apollo.io extension helpful and easy to follow. Enjoy exploring the potential of Apollo.io and happy networking.